Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 2nd. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So a lot of times you hear me talk about how M period, the day of, you got to take it with a grain of salt. And yesterday, as of right now, is a beautiful example of that, especially in NQ. As after pushing lower in L period, M rips up. We go out with a poor high in ES. NQ goes out with a price probe, which is right now, with 70 minutes to go, firmly being rejected. Right now, they're below the afternoon pullback low. So again, you got to take that with a grain of salt. Unfortunately, this morning, we have at 9:30, when the market opens, Powell's speaking somewhere and Lagarde again. So be aware of that. And then at 10 o'clock, you have the JOLTS number coming out. So again, these things should send the algos into a tizzy. Unfortunately, these things should be out prior to the regular trading hours opening. Righty went out with a double distribution day down yesterday. Right now, they're trading at yesterday's lows. Remember, we're all in balance on the daily, okay? And to me, taking out yesterday's low is not taking out the balance low in ES. All right, it's still Monday the 17th low. NQ, on the other hand, is the 24th low. Okay? So it's this one right here. That would put us out of balance on the daily. The weekly are all in balance now, as ES took out last week's low. Today could be the final day where you have pretty much, say, a full trading room, because I have a feeling tomorrow's only a half day. Regular trading hours close at 1, and then Friday, I have a feeling a lot of people take off. So we'll see if more business gets done today prior to people hitting the roads. Although Friday could also be interesting, because you have the minutes coming out after the market closes tomorrow and non-farm payroll Friday morning. To give a game plan at this moment, things are going to change drastically. So let's do the bigger picture game plan. Okay? We attempted to come out of balance on the 27th. We just stretched it to the upside. So if the market likes what Powell says and or the JOLTS, and we go up there, balance rules apply at this day's high. Okay? Remember, the overnight is still the all-time high. On the flip side, if the market doesn't like what he hears, what he says, and JOLTS causes a knee-jerk reaction to the downside, the 17th low of 89.75 is the bottom of your balance. Now, below that, you have a very, very, very large rollover gap. It can get filled only if you're going to have a trend day down. That's possible, so that's to keep in mind. And NQ is pretty much the same thing. You have the all-time high is their balance high, again, from the 27th. The overnight all-time high is still 100 points higher. And then on the downside, the 24th, not the 17th, is your daily balance low. Okay? So if we take that out, come out of balance to the downside, and their rollover gap, which had been eaten into, should easily get filled. Okay? And then chart-wise, just show you the daily for now on the SPY and the ES. Look at this. It's just one big balance. The market's percolating. At some point, maybe today, we try to come out of it. We tried to come out of it on Friday to the upside, failed. Let's see if we test the other side of the balance today. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.